Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the rectangle tool. So right now I am into the part environment of SolidWorks, and the first thing we need to do is we need to select any fundamental plane. So let's select the front plane and let's go into the sketch. So into the sketch tab menu, into the ribbon section, you can see there is a big palette, so you can have a lot of things. So in this video we are gonna cover the rectangle. So in the rectangle, in front of rectangle there is a drop down menu. So if I'm gonna click on that, so you can see we have a bunch of options like corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. So first let's draw a corner rectangle. So for the corner rectangle, what you need to do is you just need to start your rectangle from one point. So what you need to do is you just need to click at one point, and then you need to drag your mouse wherever you want or at what size of rectangle do you want. And then you just need to click again. So it's a 2-click rectangle. And here you can see there is a relationship between these two lines. Like this line is perpendicular line, this is also perpendicular, and this line and this line are horizontal line. So if you want, you can control these relationships. So let's say I want to delete this relation, so I can just right click on it and then I can delete it. And after that, if I want to drag this, so I can just drag and I can change the shape of my rectangle. So this is the first rectangle, which is corner rectangle, and there is another one which is center rectangle. So for the center rectangle, what you need to do is you just need to start from the center. So if I'm going to start my rectangle from here anywhere, what I need to do is I just need to click here. So from here my rectangle will start. This would be the center point of my rectangle, and then wherever I want to drag, wherever I want to move it, then I can drag and I can have my rectangle suppose till here. And again you can see there is a relation between perpendicular relation between the lines and horizontal relation, and this is the center point, and you can see there are some center points as well. So these are some construction lines as well. So these are just used because these are connected with the center point of this center rectangle. That's why this point and these construction lines are there. Again you have relations there, and if you want you can delete the relation and you can change the shape. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This is 3-point center rectangle. Okay, so 3-point center rectangle, what you need to do is you just need to select 3 point to create this kind of rectangle. So first point from where you want to start, and the second point how long you want to go. Suppose I want to go till here, and then now I can extend it as long as I want. Suppose I want to have till here, and again you can see right now again I have a different relation, but these are different. This line and this line, these two lines are parallel, as you can see here. Like this is a parallel sign and this is a parallel relation. So these two lines are parallel to each other, and these two lines are perpendicular to these lines. So in this way, we can create 3-point center rectangle. And if you want, what you can do is you can give some dimensions, or if you want to rotate this line, so what you need to do is you can just select a point here. And if you want to rotate this rectangle, so I can select this point and I can go into the feature manager, and there is a option I can fix this point. So this point is fixed. So now if I want to move this rectangle, so I can move wherever I want. Let's say I want to have a distance between, I want to have an angle between these two. So let's say from this circle, from this center to center, and let's say 50. So you can see that point is still there, and this is gonna move here. So in this way, what I can do is I can just rotate this rectangle at a center point. Okay, so this was my third option. So let's go to the fourth option, or there is another option this is 3-point center rectangle. So I can made as a rectangle by 3-point center rectangle, or I know you can made rectangle by using the line. So this rectangle command is gonna save your some time and it's gonna be quick. Otherwise what you can do is you can just take the line command, and then you can start one line, then you can go third and this is fourth line. So in this way you can also create your rectangle. But the thing is, like here what you need to do is you just need to spend a bit of more time. So what you can do is you can just use the rectangle tool and then you can create rectangle as you want. So let's start with the last point. This is 3-point center rectangle. So again, for this you need to choose 3 points, 1 point, second point, and let's say like this. You need to choose first point from the center. This is 3-point center, so first point, second point, and as long as you want. So in this way we can create again our rectangle. So let's go to check the last point, which is parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, a kind of rectangle, but what you need to do is you just need to select 2 points, and then those 2 points are fixed, and now you can just draw any side. As you can see, in whichever direction you want to draw. So these 2 lines are fixed, these are parallel, and these 2 lines are also parallel, so that's why it's called parallelogram. So in this way you can save a lot of time, and you can use rectangle tool, and you can create a lot of rectangles. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.